Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sia Slurp's Ramen Hack Wednesdays. I apologize for the mess behind me. I had a huge housewarming party the other day, so dishes everywhere, which I intend to put away at some point. But today we're all going to be learning about how to make ramen and take it to school. So I'm not just talking about those cup noodles, which it's a love-hate relationship with those, but trying to make your instant ramen a little bit healthier. And if you love instant ramen like me and you want to take it with you to work or to school or whatever, I'll show you a couple things that you can do to make it super portable, super delicious, and a touch bit healthier with Mason Jar Ramen.
All right, we've got our ingredients here. So we're going to start off obviously with whatever pack of instant noodles that you have. Plain, throw out that packet. You don't need it. We got miso paste. We got some dobanjang, which is chili broad bean paste for salt. And then we have gochujang for a bit of spice. And then gochugaru if you just want that extra added bit of heat. Chicken powder, or if you have better than bouillon chicken stock, even better. So some veggies here. Random things I have in my fridge, which is basically pickled cabbage. I have some frozen broad beans. You can use any frozen vegetables you want. Chopped scallions and dehydrated shiitake mushrooms in my cupboard. And of course, a pint-sized jar of mason jar. Begin by adding a teaspoon each of dobanjang. We have a bit of gochujang and 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. We have 1 teaspoon of miso paste and the rest of your either frozen or dehydrated ingredients, whatever you want to find. And of course, your noodle packet. We're going to begin by boiling some hot water, and we're going to pour that over until everything is covered just like so. Get that lid, screw it on, and let that cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes, depending on what kind of noodles you have. Make sure you mix it up and ensure that all of the paste has been dissolved. And then, of course, add some fresh herbs. I'm adding cilantro and Thai basil here. Yum, yum, yum. Take a look at this slow-mo. Super easy to pack a couple extra bits of nutrition in there, and it's so tasty. Yum!
If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!